Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to sign a PDF in Microsoft Edge. So, I was trying to sign a PDF the other day and didn't feel like downloading any extra apps, so I just opened it directly in Microsoft Edge and realized the process is actually super quick once you know where to click. So, I loaded the PDF in Edge and look at the top toolbar where all the editing tools are. Then I click on the draw option and that instantly lets you write directly on the document using your mouse, touchpad, or even a touchscreen if you have one. And I just drew my signature right on the page like I would on paper, adjusted it a bit to make it look cleaner, and that was basically it because there's no complicated setup or extra steps. You just sign it in and it's ready to go, which honestly makes it one of the fastest ways to handle simple document signing without installing anything extra. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.